Hey, I'm Mike, and I make money simple. Quick note, I'm not a financial advisor, just here to share ideas and education. Always do your own research before investing. Welcome to Zero to Wealth, your blueprint for becoming a confident investor. If you've ever been told that saving money is the secret to wealth, you're in for a surprise. I'll show you why saving alone will never make you rich, and what you need to do instead. This video kicks off our brand new series, Wealth Blueprint, from Zero to Confident Investor. Think of it as a step-by-step program. Every episode builds on the last. By the end of this series, you'll have everything you need to start investing with confidence. If you're like I was, you've probably felt confused or even intimidated by the world of money. Today, we're cutting through all that noise. Let's get started.
You've been saving money for months, maybe even years. But somehow, you're still broke. The bills keep coming. Your savings grow slowly. And everything keeps getting more expensive. So here's the truth, saving alone won't make you rich. And I'm going to show you why, and what to do instead. Let's break it down. When you save money in a regular bank account, what happens? You earn almost nothing in interest. Like, literally a few cents a month. That means your money in the bank isn't growing, it's shrinking. You're working hard, saving faithfully, and still falling behind. Meanwhile, inflation is making your money worth less every year. So even if you're saving, your money is slowly losing power. That's the trap. Here's a simple example. Imagine you saved $10,000 10 years ago and left it in a basic savings account. With low interest, it might have grown to about $10,500. But in that same time, the cost of living has gone up by 20% or more. So your $10,500 today actually buys you less than your $10,000 did a decade ago. That's the trap of relying on saving alone. You're doing the right thing, but it's not enough. Now here's the part no one tells you. Wealth isn't built by saving. It's built by investing. When you invest, your money doesn't just sit, it grows. Let's be clear, saving money is necessary. It's your financial foundation, great for an emergency fund, perfect for those short-term goals. But here's the cold, hard truth. If you want to build real wealth, wealth that grows, multiplies, and beats inflation, saving isn't enough. You need to invest. So if you're tired of saving and still feeling stuck, if you're ready to stop being broke and start building something real, investing isn't just for the rich or the experts. It's for you to grow your money, fight inflation, and build the future you deserve. Don't let fear hold you back. Start small, start simple, and start today. And start building the future you actually deserve.
So here's the key takeaway from today. Saving protects your money, but it won't make you rich. If you want financial freedom, you need your money to grow. And that takes the right approach. Let me ask you, do you see your savings account as a safe place to park money? Or do you feel like it's actually holding you back? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'm looking forward to reading your perspective. The most successful investors don't just have a strategy, they have a wealth-building mindset. And that's exactly what we're tackling in the next episode. The simple money mindset that builds wealth. To start your journey right, you need to see money differently. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that crucial episode. And don't forget to click on the next video where your journey to confident investing really begins. Until then, keep learning, keep growing, and keep your money working for you. I'll see you in the next one.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.